All right, welcome to Iowa Storm Center. Here we're taking a look at the severe risk model for your Thursday afternoon and Thursday evening, which is where we're going to see the potential for some stronger storms, which we'll get to here throughout the video. So as we look at our forecast radar, I think we'll start working in some drizzle, maybe even some fog across the area overnight tonight, and then showers and thunderstorms become fairly widespread as you head into Thursday morning. This is by around 7 a.m. We go into around 9 a.m., and we'll just continue to work that round of showers and thunderstorms through the state as you head through the first half of Thursday. Thursday afternoon, just some scattered showers. Again, maybe a few rumbles of thunder with this as this pulls to the north. And then by Thursday afternoon here, we'll see a dry pocket of air set in, a lot drier times here, also going to boost that instability for some stronger storms later on in the evening here as we get towards, I would say, somewhere between 6 and 8 p.m. We'll start to see some storms develop across southwest Iowa, getting into central Iowa as you head into, I would say, 7 to 9 p.m. and then farther down the line here into eastern Iowa by 9, 10 o'clock Thursday night. So that's kind of timing that out. Now, of course, that can change a little bit, but as that is happening, we're going to have a cold front coming in northwest Iowa, which is going to switch that rain over to some snow. Temperatures are going to rapidly drop as we head into late Thursday night. Snow constant here behind that front. And then as you get into Friday morning here, especially by the time you get up to 5 a.m. Friday morning, this is completely pulled out of the state. So it will quickly move off to the east. Now, in terms of the wind here, as that front is coming through, as it's snowing in northwest Iowa, you're likely going to have periods of whiteouts here. As it's snowing, we have strong winds along with that. So very strong winds likely to be right behind that front as snow is coming down. And then as you head into Friday morning here, the stronger winds will increase across the entire state. We'll see gusts 30 to 45 miles per hour here Friday morning. And then by Friday afternoon, that wind will greatly subside, especially by early afternoon. I think especially by 1, 2 o'clock, you'll start to see the wind already down there sustained only 10 to 20. So just a brief shot of strong winds behind that cold front, but it will bring impacts to the state. Now, as we look at the temperatures throughout the event here, here's what we're going to start off with tomorrow morning. 40s across most of the state, 50s off to the south as we get into around 3, 4 o'clock Thursday afternoon here. This is the big shock, especially Des Moines. You're going to see a big shock with this system here, where you're 67 degrees, maybe even near 70 in some locations here. And then as you head into the evening here, as that cold front begins to plow into the state here, we get into about 10 p.m. We'll notice a lot of areas here across northwest Iowa. You're down there in the lower 30s, upper 20s. So really starting to cool the temperatures off. And especially Des Moines there, you're going to go from the middle upper 60s down there into the 20s as you wake up on Friday morning. This is what lows are Thursday night. So kind of giving you an idea, definitely a strong storm system that's coming through the area here Thursday through Friday. Now, as we look at our snow model going forward here, a trace to 2 in the lighter blue, and there will be an area in the darker blue of 2 to 6 inches of snow across the northwest to north central part of the state. We look at our rainfall amounts here. Thinking generally a ½ inch to 2 inches across generally central to northern Iowa, and there could even be a pocket of 2 to 3 inches in a couple spots across central Iowa, given that second round of storms that will develop. So to very quickly recap, we'll have that round of storms moving throughout the day tomorrow, showers and thunderstorms. Second round will develop later on in the evening, potential severe thunderstorms across the central part of the state, and then also right behind that cold front, you'll have some snow on the backside of the system across west and eventually into central and northeast Iowa by late Thursday night into early Friday. Stay tuned to Iowa Storm Center.